Come here, you want to take the video? Come here, hold this. Just hold it. Just hold it and try to keep the bird in the shot. Ready? Watch this bird fucking claw me to death. You're not videoing. What are you doing?
Yeah, I am. Hurry.
Well, look, I got a cardinal in my hands.
I know it.
How often does that happen?
I know.
Oh, that's so cute, kinda.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's scared.
Oh, look at that. Look.
Oh.
What's in there?
Oh.
It could be like my parrot. I could be a pirate with a parrot.
Oh.
That's kind of awesome. Anything like that? This is like the weirdest thing ever.
Oh,
why are you not videoing this?
Oh,
What's the matter with you?
I don't know. I'm so mad.
Can you see it on the thing? I mean, look on.
I see.
Where are you going? What are you?
There it is.
You got it?
Yeah.
I mean, can you see it on my hand?
Yeah, but your hand's real dark.
I'm petting it. I'd actually keep it. I want it. It's my new pet.
It died. It's wild.
I wonder if it sat on my shoulder. Want to sit on my shoulder, little guy? That might be kind of cool. Here.
Oh, it just... Yeah, I got it.
Get my face in the shot, too. That is awesome.
I got your face right in it.
I got a cardinal on my fucking shoulder. This is just strange, but it's awesome.
Can you believe that?
What's redder, the beard or my bird? I mean, my beard or the bird?
The bird.
Yeah, I think the bird, yeah. Well, how about that?
Oh, it's a paw toad.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it broke its leg. If you put it down, it'll die. See it? Over there, that one was shitting your
It
hand.
pissed on me. I think it shit on me, too.
Yeah.
Oh, some pet you are.
Oh. Sit on the ground and see.
Oh, I think it's... I don't know. It looks alright. This is so weird.
You know what it's doing? It's trying to play dead.
Whatever it is.
Yeah.
You ain't dead. I know better.
Lenny, I can't believe this.
I know, right? I almost want to wake up everybody in the house. Look at what I'm doing. Holding, yeah, whatever. But, well, I don't know. Maybe if I set it down and fly away, or...
I'd try it.
Alright, here. I'll set you down.
I can't see you now.
My bird.
Hi, Lenny. I see it. Yeah.
Look at me, everybody. I got a fucking cardinal that's pissing on me.
Yes. I wish I could zoom it in.
Oh, okay. You get closer.
I got you.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
I just...
Hey, you're just hanging out.
But it's so little, it just... Oh. Yeah, I know.
He's just chilling. I mean, I tried to put him down, and he just kind of held on to my finger.
Sitting on the rock.
Yeah, he wouldn't even get off. Are you just content there? I'd have to buy some bird seed now.
So,
And Trina thinks her little Rubik's Cube video was awesome.
yeah. They're gonna shit.
I know, right?
Call him red.
Hmm?
Call him red.
I know, right?
I wish I could zoom in on it. I mean, I got it, but yeah, it's got there. Lenny, I can't believe this. Try putting it on the rocking seat. I'm scared to death.
This bird is scared shitless.
Yeah.
Or pissless, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, it ain't pissless or shitless. It's
Oh,
doing it.
Yeah. It's all over the place.
But you got... I wonder if the other birds would kill it because you got your hands on it.
Oh.
Try to sit on the rock and see what it does again.
Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't really budge. It just kind of...
Yeah.
Well, just hang on your fingers.
Did you get it?
Fly or walk or something?
Oh, God, my arm's getting tired. Try to put it... There. I'm afraid it's... You think it's hurt?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, it's closed. Like, you can stop filming the fucking thing, I guess. I guess it's alright.
But that's so cool, you guys.